Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, 2008, 2009 Dash Caravan 101112 with 3.3 liter. This car here, you try to crank it, no crank, no. Does it crank? Let me see. Okay. What happened there? There is nothing there. Battery maybe die. I hear like there is something jump here. Always battery terminal have to be clean. This one, you see here? Raymond, this battery terminal, you see here? Have to be clean and tight, please. We come back. Okay. Okay, call him for me, let him tight this and clean them. Those terminals have to be clean and it is better to put the right one. But I'm gonna still show you what we have here. Okay, ignition come on, follow up with us. That's no good, right? Okay. So what you need to do is, we have first to clean this terminal. Mr. Lou, give me some help here. See this kind of thing, that burning car, you see? Give me some, let's clean this one and tighten it. So that at least we can have, I tried one time, it's jump. Okay, this is one of the things that can burn the car. So we have to fix this problem. Take it out, fix it, and then we continue on the diagnosis. If you want to diagnose the car before also without cranking, I'm going to show you what we have. Okay, let me see now. Security is good. Wow. Okay. Go to diagnose. Go to VIN, auto detect. This car never start. Okay, we have a problem with the OBD. It never light up, you see. Our OBD is no good as before. So I have to send it to get another one to get fixed. So we're gonna clean the terminal, we change the interface, then we come back. Terminal, battery terminal must be good, please. We learn from here, battery terminal must be okay. And then I'm gonna change my interface, then we come back. When we come back, I will show you the car cranking no start. We have a code, P0688, P0688, what it is and how to fix it. Okay, now this car crank no start. So now I just cancel this. I'm gonna try to go by history. Okay. 2008 Dash Chrysler, Dash Caravan Voyager, the same thing. And if you go back, you see here, I have some fault code. One of the code that was giving me hard time is the engine control module code. Let me show you what it is. Diagnose. I don't want to diagnose other stuff, but I want to diagnose only one thing. Car crank no start. Crank no start, so I go to control unit, powertrain, engine control module. Why the car doesn't want to start? I'm gonna wait a little bit. Ignition is on, security is good. Okay, so now I'm gonna read the codes. Computer is good. I have this code, P0688, active, automatic shutdown relay, main sense. Main sense, that means the relay have about 4 buttons, 4 connectors, 2 powers, and one of the power go through the relay coil to the computer, and the computer send ground through that one. That means the computer needs to see 12 volt. 12 dead volt, that means the volt is coming through a load, through a coil, and then the output of the relay. If the power, 12 volt power is not coming out from one side of the relay going to the computer, either the continuity or the computer is bad. So let's go and show you where is the computer first and where that ASD sensing is. Okay, I'm going to show you here. This is the relay. This is the relay here. This is the automatic shutdown relay. If you notice here, this is automatic shutdown relay. I'm going to take it out slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this here, this pin here is the pin that for the sensing. This pin here is going, when the relay close, it sends power to the injectors, fuel pump, and coil. This one here, out. This one here, computer command. But this two here is full power. This and this is full power. So you have to get 12 volt there. So now if I put it here, let me show you. Now I'm supposed to get 12 volt here. And this 12 volt supposed to come out of here and go all the way down to the fuel pump. Let me show you where the fuel, the engine computer. I'm gonna, engine computer, connector number 3, pin number 3. Let me show you now. I'm gonna put the car on the lift. Oh, you bring the power. For example, I have this wire. I brought it from the engine computer. Engine computer is supposed to send ground to me here to ground this wire that coming 12 volt. But right now, I supposed to get 12 volt here coming out from the relay. Okay, you see here, 12 volt ignition. You see this 12 volt. This 12 volt, I supposed to get it here too. Here, you see here. I'm getting ground. The ground is coming from where? The ground is coming from the what they call the engine computer, but it never reached here. It never reached here. That means right now, I gotta show you where it is. So let's go down. Now it start working. Now I see the ground. Ground it reached. Ground is coming out from the computer, but it never reached there. Okay, if you notice here, you see this wire here, this pin here, gray and white. Gray and white, already the computer sent command. He sent command and the command is ground. But if you notice, this ground is available here. But through the wire harness to the relay is not available, because if it's available, I'm supposed to get the same ground there. Where are you going, Ray? Okay, look here. I'm gonna go there again. See that wire? That's the ground. You see here? This is ground. And this ground, if the continuity is good, this wire supposed to ground the relay. So I'm supposed to get ground there. I don't have it. So this wire here is broke somewhere. The continuity between this one to the relay is not there. That's when the relay is sending.
Right here always be the problem.
Oh, this one here.
Always be the problem.
This place here, right? And also you have to know that this is connector number 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Look, the edge here is shorter. The other one. This is 1, 2, no. 1, 2, and 3, 4. This connector number 3. Okay, that's good. I'm going down. So now the ground is out, but it never reached the relay. Okay, put it down now. It never reached the relay, that's why I'm getting this code. Now, imagine that we have ground commanded by the computer. Computer command the ground, ignition is on. Computer command the ground. We have ground here, you see? But if this wire, this is the same wire that coming to this pin here. But guess what? If it come here, it's supposed to have, if it's reached here, I'm supposed to have ground here, but it never reached. That's why I'm getting that code. So right now, let me just tie this.
Oh, okay, no problem. That's okay, that's okay.
Let me put it here. You're gonna hear this noise. So hold tight this for me, Mr. Lu. Ignition is on. Now look here. I'm getting ground. You see 0 point something ground. That means I'm good now. A little bit of that ground from the computer is good. Now I will go here and see if that code will go away. And the car should start. So now, this is my code. Escape, erase the code. Read the code again. I shouldn't get this code. No code now at all. Now let me go turn off and try to start it. Check. Hold that cable for me. Good. I'm gonna start it and then I see what happened. You see now, my car start. Before the car crank never start because of this code. And that code, that wire feeding the relay, and that automatic shutdown relay that energize coil, fuel pump, all the ignition and injectors. So now we need to get that wire. We're gonna open it and see where it's broke, or we bypass it. It's better just to open it and look for the place where that wire broke and fix it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Check, we are talking about the gray wire that coming from the pin 3 and connected 3 pin 3. There is no continuity between the relay and engine computer. Automatic shutdown relay. You see here? This is the wire. Okay, pull this one now. Spaghetti. Pull it, hold it. Yes.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. So this is why, what happened to it. The computer sent ground, but it never reached the relay. That's why the code P0688, automatic shutdown relay circuit bad. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.